glad Mathematics Day. I'm looking forward now to talk with you about importance of mathematics in human life. So let's get started. The National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December, which is the birth date of Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician born to change the future of maths. This day is recognized by the former Prime Minister of India, Manmohan Singh, to commemorate his greatness and contributions in the field of mathematics. Mathematics is one of the universal languages along with film and music. It's the language by which the universe has been written. Maths helps people learn and communicate even if other communication barriers exist. It's the science of all sciences and an art of all arts. Maths is incredibly important in our lives, and without even realizing it, we use mathematical concepts every day. The laws of mathematics govern everything around us, and without a good understanding of them, one can encounter significant difficulties in life. Math is needed at every step of life, and we cannot live without it. It's a subject that is applied to every field and profession. It has made our lives easier and uncomplicated. Mathematics nurtures some qualities like power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication skills in learners' minds. Knowledge in maths also plays a crucial role in understanding the contents of other subjects like science, social, and even music and arts, but it has always been a subject of extreme. The word mathematics gives study to most students, whereas there is a small percentage who loves it to the core. It becomes easier if it's taught or learned in an organized and systematic way. It is based on teachers as well as learners. Calendar was the first application of mathematics that gave the early man a way to count his days. This led to a mapping of the seasons and gave rise to agriculture, without which humans couldn't even survive all these years. It was said that mathematics is the gate and key of the science. It's the cradle of all creations and inventions, without which world cannot move an inch. Mathematics is a kind of precaution took to prevent chaos in our daily life. Maths is everywhere and behind everything by one way or another. It's the first block in everything in our daily lives, from little home constructions to large fashion and interior designs. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician, everyone needs mathematics in their daily day-to-day life. Without mathematics, an engineer cannot build a bridge, a quantity checker chemist cannot prepare medicines. Even insects use mathematics in their everyday life for existence. Snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build hexagonal combs by simple calculations, which is also a math. There are countless examples of mathematical patterns in nature's fabric. Usage of mathematics lies in the calculations used to build the pyramids, precautions took to prevent the build dams from collapsing, etc. The impossible feats like landing on moon or building the tallest tower cannot be achieved without mathematics. Mathematics is the essential tool that helps make the world go around. The needs of maths arose based on the wants of the society. Mathematics is the only area of science known that gives an absolute result. It can never leave one with an answer that is not absolute or not definite. No matter how small the subject in question might be, the calculation will always yield a definite number. This essence of mathematics has been applied to various other sciences, and it has drastically improved our analysis and accuracy. Life as given to humans is very accurate. We humans were born with a natural curiosity of knowing the things around us. What we don't understand becomes a natural subject of curiosity for us, and we begin our research at once. The research required to solve some mathematical problems can take years or even centuries sometimes. It doesn't mean that nature uses maths everywhere. We have to apply math to nature. Mathematics played a major role in building up modern civilization by perfecting all sciences. If and when mathematics is removed, the backbone of our material civilization would collapse. If there is one thing I would like you to remember from today's presentation, it's that world cannot move even an inch towards advancement without the existence of mathematics. And that brings us to the end. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. Thank you all for giving me this honorable opportunity. Thank you, sir.